Hello, traders. Welcome to today's episode of BTC USD Technical Analysis. So it is my wish that you trade well, you cash more pips, and at the end of today's trading hours, you smile to your accounts. So we commence our analysis on daily time frame analysis chart. So on daily chart, we can see that the overall trend of the market still remain uptrend market structure. And currently also, the big bull is in control of the market trend. And this indicates that the uptrend market structure is controlled by the bullish push, which is in direction with the overall trend of the market. So on daily charts, the big bear have no chance at the moment to reverse the trend and returns back to the higher low, which is this zone of the daily time frame analysis chart. So despite last week markets closing with bearish push, the big bull dominates the market at the early hour of today's market opening on BTC USD time frame analysis chart D1 chart. So our top down analysis to H4 time frame analysis chart. Let's go down to H4 and see what is going on there at the moment. So on daily chart now, the big bull is in control of the market trend. So on H4 time frame analysis chart, we can also see that the big bull is in control of the market trend at the moment, as it's currently pushing the market up massively. You can see green candle formation, and this indicates that the big bull is in control of the market trend. So big bear have no reversal chance at the moment to reverse the trend, as currently on H4 time frame analysis charts, bullish reversal payback candlestick formation is currently ongoing and is about to break above this zone, which is the higher high of the previous push. We have higher high, we have higher low, we have higher high. The big bear returns back, but it was unable to break below this breaker zone. And this gives the big bull the chance to push the market up again. As you can see that currently, the big bull is currently pushing the market up and is likely to break above this higher high on H4 time frame analysis chart. So on D1 and on H4, bullish is in control of the market trend. So let's further go down to H1 time frame analysis chart and see what is going on there at the moment. So let's go further down to H1 time frame analysis chart. Let's go down to H1 time frame analysis chart. On H1 time frame analysis chart, we can also see that the big bull is currently dominating the market trend at the moment. On H1 time frame analysis, the big bull is currently dominating the market trend and it's about to break above this higher high. We have higher low, we have higher high, we have higher low, and we have equal high here, which is static liquidity. So the big bull is about to break above this zone, capture this liquidity, which is static, and form new higher high on H1 time frame analysis chart. So big bear have no chance at the moment to push the market back and capture this liquidity we have here and returns back to this higher low of H1 time frame analysis chart. So H1, H4, and D1 charts are currently on uptrend push, which is in line with the overall trend of the market. So let's further go down to entry time frame analysis chart and see what is going on there at the moment. So let's go down to M15 time frame analysis charts and see what is going on there at the moment. So on M15 time frame analysis chart, you can also see that the uptrend continue there. We have higher low, we have higher high, we have higher low, we have higher high. And currently the market is trying to push back to retest this higher low we have on entry time frame 15 minutes chart. So the big bear is trying to dominate the market trend and push back to this zone. And provided this big bear break below this zone, we may have bearish retest back to the higher low of daily H4 or H1 time frame analysis chart. So on N15 at the moment, the big bear is currently dominating the market trend and the push is likely to retest back to the higher low of the entry time frame analysis chart, which is also 15-minute time frame analysis chart. So let's further go down to M5 and see what is also going there at the moment. So let's go down to M5. We can also see that on M5, the big bear is currently in control of the market trend, and the push is likely to capture this liquidity we have here and likely to feed this imbalance and to retest back to this zone, which is yet to be tested for once. So the zone is still fresh. The higher low of M5 is still fresh. So the big bear is in control of the market trend at the moment, but the overall trend on daily chart, on H4 chart, on H1 chart, and also on entry chart is uptrend market structure. But currently, the big bear is trying to reverse back to the higher low of the entry chart and is likely to retest the zone. And provided it break it, we may add short bearish push. So today's trader should trade with cautions. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage your account. Always calculate your risk to reward ratio before opening any buy or sell positions. And don't be in haste. Be patient. Before you can be trade successful in forex trading market or crypto market, you have to exercise patience. Try to become conservative traders and don't become aggressive traders. Always wait for your setup to play out before opening any positions. Always wait for your setup to play out before opening any positions. So I wish you guys the best today, more pips to capture, and at the end of today's trading hours, smile to your accounts. So trade with cautions. Always trade with the amount you can afford to lose, and don't gambling in forex markets. Plan your analysis, analyze where, plan your setup, and only trade your setup. Only trade your setup. Only trade your setup, and don't be greedy. Cash your pips and leave the market. So have a great day.